If you don't like Mondays but still dance in your kitchen, then this is for you. Picture this, a rubber chicken wearing a tiny tuxedo strutting into a disco party. It's like a fever dream, right? Well, this chicken's got moves. Watch as it does the moonwalk, the cha-cha, and even the worm. But wait, just when you think it can't get any weirder, bam! A squirrel in a tutu joins the dance-off. They boogie, they shimmy, they shake it like there's no tomorrow. Why are they dancing? Who knows? Who cares? It's pure unfiltered joy. So next time you're feeling down, just remember, somewhere out there a rubber chicken and a tutu-wearing squirrel are busting a move. And that, my friends, is comedy gold. Don't miss out. Hit that like button and subscribe for more absurd hilarity.